Hello YouTubers, Super Cool Exosign 650 here, and today I'll show you how to wire up an Exosign, or how to wire up an Exosign combo, or any emergency light. In this case, we'll do my Lithuania HQM SW3R 12277. Nice thing about any type of these units, they have like a deep spot for the wire nuts. That's definitely my favorite. I'd say get like a computer extension cord. That's what I strongly recommend. It would only be like 15. It would only be like $5 on eBay or whatever, whatever you get. So like, stick your stick your power cord through here, and then like we're gonna start with the hot wire first. I'm gonna find somewhere to place y'all at. I'll be right back, guys. All right, I'm just gonna place y'all like just trying to like place y'all somewhere. So you basically like, so go ahead and strip your, in this case I'll start with the hot wire. So basically take your strippers, twist this, and make sure that, just make sure it's not plugged in, so you don't get electrocuted. Just tangle this around, and tangle this around this wire. Just basically like wrap it around. And take your wire nuts. And then the next wire you do is your neutral wire. It's like the same thing. Get your strippers. And then like make sure it's like nice and straight. So like wrap the copper strands around this wire, around the wire that's already inside, and then take your wire nuts and take your wire nut and just screw them in together. In this case, I'll put it in this deeper slot. It's gonna reroute this the other way. So like, it's actually, I'm gonna have to cut the installation even more. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I got it all wired in. You can, if you want, you can put your faceplate on, because I don't have a battery yet, because my battery will be here tomorrow. Like, and then let this thing charge for 24 hours. I'm actually gonna move it where I have the Lithuania QM, because I have two more outlets right there. Cross our fingers this time to see if this works. Oh yeah, it's like the same thing. And oh, that's not good. We have no AC light. Since this extension cord is longer, I decided to put in these nightlight LED bulbs in a non-retrofit. Luckily, I'm glad I didn't get a non-retrofit one, because basically I agree to some other YouTubers out there that just please don't get retrofits for these older units right here. Like, and here it is lit. I'll just do everything I can to get this faceplate out again. So these are the bulbs right here. These are just basically two nightlight bulbs right here. It does use less energy, I'm glad. Because I think the AC light will work once the battery's in here. Alright, this is it for my wiring up how-to video on any Exasign. That's how you wire up an Exasign. An Exasign combo or any emergency light. Doesn't matter any. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Please. And until next time, Super Cool Exasign 650 out.